Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole coming back with another video. I was about to make dinner and I thought, why not make a video and just share what I'm making? I'm gonna have a salad, and today I'm not gonna worry about measurements. I'm not gonna worry about serving sizes. I'm just gonna be free. I just want to be free to just do it. Just, throw it all in a bowl. So I'm having a quinoa tahini salad. So this is gonna give us at least 17, 20, about 20, it's not a lot, about 23 grams of protein, maybe 24 with everything. The nutritional yeast has protein, the tahini, the quinoa, and the greens. So I'm going to say about 24 grams. You could pair it with a handful of nuts to make it increase a little bit more. You can also eat it with protein smoothie or shake. You can also double up your quinoa or add another cup of beans or something like that. You can make the protein higher, but today I was going to put it in chronometer to give you the exact measurements, but I'm not going to do that. So let me wash my hands again because I just feel like I need to for some reason. But yeah, so I'm going to turn the camera down a little bit so you can see, and I'm just going to make my dinner. I'm going to try not to do anything where I'm going to have to edit anything later. You're just going to see what it is. All right, so still have a little bit of quinoa in here. Where is my cup? So I'm gonna do, didn't I say I wasn't gonna do any measurements? And here I am. This is out of habit, bro. That's a habit. That's crazy. I just said I wasn't gonna do any measurements. I was just gonna be free, and here I go. Whatever. All right. I'm conditioned. When you're used to doing something, you just naturally do it without thought, right? Get some red tomatoes in here. I'm just gonna throw them in there. Cucumbers. I like to get these sizes at Trader Joe's. They're like, mini, kind of almost like a mini cucumber. They have ones that are even smaller than that, but I don't like the real tiny ones. So, what is that? Oh my God, what was that? I hope that wasn't a bug. So, you guys, did you guys check out my little meal plan that I gave you guys? My last upload. Try that meal plan for like a week and see if if you have any water weight to lose, or you don't even have to lose anything. If you just want to have like some ideas of like a meal plan for like a high raw lifestyle. That was actually almost fully raw, but it wasn't fully raw because of the quinoa. And we could debate on if yogurt is raw or not, but because of those two things, that's what made it like high raw. But it was pretty raw though. All right, I'm just gonna cut the outer layer of this and get rid of it and then start over. I'm gonna use that for some reason. All right, you gotta have red onions. Well, I do. Okay, and then just gonna throw those in there. I'm lazy right now. I feel like I'm gonna throw all that in there away because I don't know. This looks kind of and then is that all? That's all for my salad. I'll put the nutritional yeast last because that's gonna make it look all messy. And the smoked paprika, I'm gonna actually put that in the salad dressing. So today in my meal plan, I showed you guys the balsamic vinegar olive oil dressing, which is a lower calorie one. But I prefer to use this dressing because this is like thicker and heavier. And it also has more protein, and it's just higher calories, higher fat, but it's okay. So anyway, okay, I know I don't do measurements, but I still like to only do 2 tablespoons of tahini though. Let me just stir this up a little bit. No matter if I'm not counting and tracking and stuff, I'm always gonna measure out the tahini. 2 tablespoons. I don't know how to not do that, and it's just like a approximate. It's probably over that. That's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. Also, you guys, I created a high raw vegan high raw plant-based community for like-minded individuals. You get access to my Shedding and Shine 4-week meal plan. We will do like quarterly challenges, like fitness challenges, high raw, and then, you know, go live so we can see each other and talk, like, you know, 3 times a month or so, and some other things, and just sharing, you know, on a weekly, daily basis, just to be accountable to others. So I would love for you to check it out. No one has joined as of thus far. I'm like, oh, is it because I'm not Jillian Berry? I have to be like major like following for people to join my community. Is that what it is? Anyway, so anyway, check it out. I don't have a high following. No, I don't. But it'll be more personal because it's not going to be as big as certain other people's groups where they have like 400, 500 people. That's just way too many people. You need a small group so you can, you know, be able to engage easier, and you know what I mean? So usually I do about a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. And I think I put too much water, guys. I think I messed up. About a tablespoonish of that, and then I just do a few shakes of smoked paprika. I don't really trip off of those two, off the smoked paprika. Oh man, I hecka messed up. I put way too much water. Doggone it. I might have to do 1 more tablespoon of tahini. This is one of those days. I never do 3 tablespoons, but I have to make it thicker because I messed up. I was, what do you call that? I got distracted. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I was not paying attention. No, I will never do 3 tablespoons. I never do 3 tablespoons, but today we're just like not tripping off of that kind of stuff. Dang it, I can't believe how much water I put in there. It's still too... I'm just gonna do a little bit more nutritional yeast. This salad is gonna be heck of calories. But today, I'm not tripping today. Okay, that's better, a little bit. So I said I was gonna put the nutritional yeast on it last, but I forgot, and I put it in the dressing, so that's okay. Oh, I got this from Cost Plus. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but they had this spicy chipotle stuff, and I was like, ooh, it doesn't have any animal products in it. So now check this out. 1 tablespoon, bro, is 360 milligrams of sodium. I'm like, are you serious right now? So that's not something you want to like go willy-nilly on. You want to be very mindful because that is a lot of sodium. I was just gonna do a little dab of it today. All right, so we have our dressing here. This is one of my go-to dressings. I also have a sweet tahini dressing I do with just 3 ingredients. This is gonna be the bomb, bro. Bomb diggity. I'll scoop the rest out in a minute. And I was like, you know what? Let's just do a squirt of this. Bah. I messed up. Damn it. I mean, darn it. I shouldn't have did that. Okay. And then the mozzarella steak seasoning. You guys know I usually measure it out 1/4 teaspoon, but today we're being a little bit more just lenient. I just want to feel like what it feels to be free, not trip. I'm very mindful of sodium and all that, but today we're not tripping off of that. I mean, kinda. I'm still, you know, being mindful, but all right, and that's it. So this is going to be my dinner. That chipotle kind of messed it up, but oh my goodness, it's going to be so divine. Yummy. All right, so as you see, I am in my robe, my beanie. I'm relaxed. I am about to get it in, and it's going down. It's going down because, oh, I should have let you see me stir it before I move the camera. Sorry. Kind of want to use my hands to stir that. Get all up in the nooks and crannies. My goodness, this is going to be so many calories. Because I doubled up on the nutritional yeast. I added 1 extra tablespoon of tahini. It's okay. Don't trip, Nicole. Okay. It's really ugly now. It's really messy looking. There it is. Let's do a taste test before I go.
nourishing.
It'll make you slap your mama. That's my new slogan. Okay, guys, this is good. Very healthy, delicious. Low high calories, but that's okay. I'm gonna clean up and eat, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to try out my High Raw Vegan community. Link is in the bio. Also, separately, that you'll have access to the Shedding and Shine 4-week meal plan, but separately, I also have the 4-week program and the meal plan. If you just want to get that, check me out, y'all. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and yeah, that's it for plant-based stuff anyway, and YouTube. Okay, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.